It's time to plant garlic. Here in Tennessee, we plant garlic end of October, first part of November. Tanggalin.
These are weeds.
Yes, all the weeds, okay.
I'm getting them.
We're gonna plant garlic here. Yeah, pull the weeds. Pull the weeds. Going to make 2 plots, okay?
2 plots.
Yeah, pick up all the green grass so we can make 2 plots.
Everything is green stuff. Okay, inside some bigger.
We're going to make two rows. Can you get
Whoa, what is road this here? Oh. Oh, ignore what this stuff was here. Maybe you should just open them and do that.
Okay, these are the garlic. Okay, come here. Let's okay. Open it.
Mommy, look. See this one?
Okay, let's break them first. We can
Mommy,
open
this
it.
one?
Let's do right.
They're
Okay.
not frozen on the ground.
Okay, right here. No, open it.
And put,
Okay, let's. These are garlic from our plant last year. So you separate them.
Yeah, I know.
And you separate them.
Oh.
These are big bulbs. Look at that. See?
They're big balls.
Yeah. Then you separate them. Come here. You can sit here, Kuya. Separate each clove. These are the cloves.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bigger the cloves, the better. Because the garlic will be big too when it grows.
Rotten. You eat the skin even.
Hmm?
Eat this skin, the white. Here.
Just separate. Yeah, just separate. Don't peel it because the skin of the garlic is going to protect the garlic from rotting. Just separate. Where's the big one?
This is a giant one.
Yeah, when you plant garlic, it's better to plant the big seeds.
Like this is a massive
Yeah,
one.
because that will
This is the tiny.
produce a big bulb of garlic also. Yeah, that one is from our
Big.
harvest from last year.
Small.
And you save some from your plant. And the Abel, don't peel, please. Keep the peeling.
Yeah.
Sorting it.
Yeah.
So now that you sort it, just do one
Yeah.
like that. Oh, that one is not too deep. It needs to be loose, not packed. Yeah, now you do this, huh?
You have to stand them up.
One, like this. This side,
Sticking out?
this side here.
This one's bald. Look.
I know. See?
Abel
Look.
did that. He made it bald. Abel bald it.
Okay.
I found some in here that are
Okay. Here.
really bald.
Here.
Skin's
Put it
gone.
in there.
Mommy,
The
you should
bottom.
never hired Abel to do this.
The bottom, Ezra. Here. Do like that. Make sure that that's deep. Is it a deep?
Get the cat. You'll
Okay.
pick his head off.
Here, like that. Now bury it like that.
You put it
Sige.
in, I'll loosen the soil. So I can push it in.
Okay. Here, Ezra. You put.
I'm pushing it.
Here,
I'm loosening the soil here.
Here you put some. At least 6 inches apart.
Abel, you're
Like that, huh?
Sit down and take.
6 inches apart, like that.
That's not 6 inches apart though.
Oh, 5, 6 inches apart.
That's 4
6.
inches.
Yeah.
No, that's actually 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 inches. And the clothes
Baliktad,
facing
kuya.
the-
Baliktad. The roots need to touch the soil. Yeah, the root side need to touch the dirt.
And they have to stick out too.
A little bit.
Okay, mommy, I loosened this row.
Good. Okay, help. Kuya.
Just shove a thing in your pocket. Which one's the bottom? The one that has this part on the bottom.
Yeah. Not so close, okay? Don't plant it too close. 6 inches apart. We might need to get some more garlic. Not enough.
Don't do that. I'm putting it there. Wait, I need the And that one there too. Right there. Right there. Oh, no, I cut a potato into pieces.
The cat wants to help.
Yeah. He wants to help by sniffing
Gonna have
them and
one.
covering
Gonna
you
have
with
one.
dirt while pooping. It's a lot easier to get across.
This is how you cover it. Not a lot. And after 1 week, the garlics are up. Harvest time will be around June next year. When you plant something, you will surely harvest something. Happy planting!